1. The pituitary gland is found in which organ? Answer. Brain. 2. Most CO2 is transported in which form? Answer. Bicarbonate. 3. What is used to reduce high blood pressure? Answer. Antihypertensive medications. 4. Which cells produce antibodies? Answer. B. Lymphocytes. 5. What causes yellow vein disease in okra? Answer. Whitefly. 6. Whitefly is an insect in which crop? Answer. Sugarcane. 7. Which vitamin is found in liver oil? Answer. Vitamin A. 8. Epithalamus is made up of which gland? Answer. Pineal gland. 9. Which pigment provides color to human skin? Answer. Melanin. 10. Which organ secretes both hormones and digestive enzymes? Answer. Pancreas. 11. Which proteins are synthesized and stored by the liver? Answer. Fibrinogen. 12. What disease occurs when blood is found in urine? Answer. Hematuria. 13. Which part of the body is affected by Alzheimer's disease? Answer. Brain. 14. Where is sodium chloride absorbed from the renal tubules? Answer. Distal convoluted tubules. 15. Which substance is required for impulse transmission in muscle fibers? Answer. Sodium. 16. How many ATP molecules are gained in glycolysis? Answer. 2 ATP. 17. Which part of the body is most affected by prolonged fasting? Answer. Kidneys. 18. Which blood group is a universal donor? Answer. O. 19. Which blood group is a universal acceptor? Answer. AB. 20. Ranikhet disease is related to which animal? Answer. Chicken. 21. Which substance in the liver prevents blood clotting? Answer. Heparin. 22. Gastric glands are found in which organ? Answer: stomach. 23. Which gland helps control the temperature of the human body? Answer: thyroid gland. 24. White rust is a disease of which crop? Answer: mustard. 25. What is the lifespan of red blood cells? Answer: 100 to 120 days. 26. How many ATP molecules are formed from one glucose molecule? Answer: 38 ATP. 27. The long part of the neuron that protrudes is called? Answer: axon. 28. The first secretion from the mammary gland is called? Answer: colostrum. 29. Which organ purifies the blood in the body? Answer: kidneys. 30. Where does nutrient absorption occur? Answer: small intestine. 31. If both parents have blood group AB, what are the possible blood groups of their children? Answer: A, B. 32. Deoxygenated blood is transported to the lungs by? Answer: pulmonary arteries. 33. What type of disease is thalassemia? Answer: genetic disorder. 34. The human brain is divided into how many parts? Answer: 3. Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. 35. Which hormone controls phosphate and calcium levels in the blood? Answer: parathyroid hormone. 36. How many pairs of nerves are in the spinal cord? Answer: 31 pairs. 37. Inflammation of the brain and spinal cord membranes is a symptom of which disease? Answer: meningitis. 38. Which organ does not experience pain when pierced by a needle? Answer: brain. 39. Which vessels transport purified blood from the lungs to the left atrium? Answer: pulmonary veins. 40. Which substance covers the nerve cells? Answer: myelin. 41. What is the amount of hemoglobin in the blood of an adult human per 100 milliliters? Answer: 14.5 g. 42. An increase in blood glucose levels is called? Answer: hyperglycemia. 43. Why is iodized salt useful? Answer: it controls thyroid gland function. 44. What are vectors responsible for disease transmission? Answer. Organisms like mosquitoes. 45. Muscular contraction of the gastric wall is called? Answer. Peristalsis. 46. Which organ separates urea from the blood? Answer. Kidneys.